Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Faith, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sure you guys could tell by the title, I'm gonna be taking you guys with me as I go dorm room shopping for my college dorm this year. I don't know about you guys, but like I cannot get my dorm room shopping done in just like one day. Like I can't do that because I have to like plan things out and figure it out as I go. So this video is kind of all over the place because I went to a bunch of different stores on different days. I went to a bunch of different Targets. I went to 2 Ikeas. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing all that, then just keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button right below me, and let's go ahead and get into this video. So we're out dorm room shopping at Ikea today. I brought my handy dandy assistant. Hi. He's gonna help me pick out stuff because I'm indecisive. This is a cool lamp. This also could be a hat if you wanted. I need a new laundry basket. This is cool. But I don't think that's big enough for my laundry basket. Well, look at this. I could like cook food and bring it out and look super kind of look like the lights I wanted to get. Look a little big though, so I might just get them at Target, but we'll see. These are cute, Jake, and I can't kill these because they're fake. See, Jake, this is like my vision for my dorm. Okay. It's my vision. It's like that rug is like there. I'll probably look for that rug for cheaper because it's a little expensive here. All right, we finally made it through the maze, and now we're gonna go look for my basket and my lights. This is a cool basket. It's only 15. This is a cute basket. We're copping this. Yep, more baskets. All right, I feel like this basket is cool, but I think it's too big. So I think I'm just gonna get that one for now. That's a cool lamp. Oh, is this a lamp? This is like the lamp I was looking for. Oh my gosh, I literally think that's the exact lamp in the picture. What the heck? Okay, we gotta find it. I'm assuming it's right there. Underneath there. That says Bojan. Well, that's not a good sign, man. Did you find it? Saved. Found it. So I want to get lights like these, and I don't think they even have these here. Hold on. So we have to get them from Target, or I can order them online. We got my lamp and my basket, and then I have to look for the lights because they were sold out, so got the goods. Okay, so we are in Maxx and Homegoods looking for stuff for my dorm. I have no idea what I'm looking for, but we're just gonna go on an adventure. This is kind of cool. This basket. I think I'm a cop it.
You gonna cop it?
Yeah, I really like this basket.
I don't think
I think I want to get this pillow, guys. Does this one even have a price tag on it?
I think it's free. It's
free, guys. Well, that's great. No price tag. I really like these lamps, but I think they're too big for my desk, and I already got one. Surprisingly, I didn't find any throw pillows, but I did find a basket and then this plant holder. So I'd say it was a success. All right, we just got to Hobby Lobby and we're about to go in and look for some stuff. I'm kind of bummed I didn't find any pillows at... Jake's typing on his phone. I'm kind of bummed I didn't find any pillows at TJ Maxx, but you know, that's okay. I'm gonna go to World Market after this, so they might have some pillows, but I'm excited to check in Hobby Lobby for some decor. I'm looking for like a teeny lantern, but I want it to be made of like that baskety material, because that's kind of like my vibe this year is like baskets. The lamp is kind of cute. It's on sale. Oh gosh, don't want to break it. I like these two together, but I don't know if that means they're 50%. I'm assuming it is, but like I don't know. Something that I saw online that I wanted to get, it's like wood garland, which I'm assuming this is wall decor, so it should be half off. It should only be like $10. Jake's got the goods. That pillow's kind of interesting. Okay, we're in World Market now, and they have a lot of cute stuff. If I could fit this chair in my dorm room, you know I would. Anything at World Market, surprisingly. They just didn't have a lot this time, and they didn't have any sales. Oh, I was sad. But Pier 1 Imports is right across the street, and they're actually going out of business, so it's like 50% off. Coupon Mom is coming out, and we're going over there. Well, I didn't find anything in there. They didn't have a lot of stuff, and it's about to pour down rain, so I think we're gonna go try to get in Target and then chill in there while the rain blows over, because I mean literally like look at the clouds. Made it to Target right before the freaking storm is about to come. It's thundering, though this is not even focused. It's thundering so loud. Good thing we made it in here. I kind of like this lamp maybe for my desk because it's so small and it's only $10, but I might keep looking. It's literally dropping buckets right now. I'm looking at the bath towels now. I want to get newer like really soft ones. I I only got like cheap ones last time, and they get like really hard when you wash them a bunch of times. So I'm debating on what color to get. I really like white, but I also like this tan color. Still really digging this color. These aren't as soft as those, but I just like the color of them. It's between these two, this one or this one. They kind of feel the same. All right, well, Jake's saying to get these tan colored ones instead of this color. And I'm torn, because I like both, but I think he might be right. So Jake wins, and I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna only get 2. All right, so it's the next day, and I'm in a different Target this time, and I'm looking at the shower curtains, but it looks like everyone bought all the shower curtains. I think I'm gonna get this one because it looks really cute, and it kind of goes with my theme. It's Opal House, and I always get Opal House stuff because it's like the best. I kind of like this rug with it, but there's one I saw online from Opal House that I kind of liked a little better. So I found the rug, but it's a little bit more orange than I thought, so I'm not sure if I like the other one or this one better. All right, I'm gonna get this one because I like this color better. I think it matches better. Alright, it's the next day, and I'm here with Jake, and we're in Anthropology looking for stuff. I wanted to get some of these flowers. These are like fake paper flowers to put in my vase, so I think I'm gonna get these. If I could have candles in my room, I'd have like 20 of these, but I can't. Alright, we're gonna get these flowers, and that is our loot for this store. Alright, they didn't have a ton of stuff in here, but I did find this plant and this plant holder. It's kind of successful. Alright, we're back in another IKEA, a different one. And I'm looking for this little cart thing, which is supposed to be here. It said bin 12. Oh, bin 12. Wait, no, it's not. It's gone. What the heck? Oh no. Let's go on a secret mission. Yeah. Celine Dion was singing as we found it. It was meant to be. Alright, let's go see what's over here. Jake, what did you call these?
Fetchka. It smells like a candy store right here. You smell that?
Huh?
It smells like a candy store.
I know, it smells like Bath and Body Works. It's kind of weird. It's a baby Fetchka. How much is it?
I think it's $2.49. I love
Should we
Fetchka.
get the little family?
Yes,
Okay.
family of Fetchka.
A family of 4 Fetchka. Dang, this bird got some long legs. I saw this mirror and I thought it was really cool. I like it, but I think it's gonna be too big for my desk because my desk is pretty small. So we're getting our little cart and then Jake's Fetchka family. Did I say it wrong? Fetchka? Dad really wants to do his banana peel with the cart, but Jake said he can only do it over here. That wasn't very good. I am encouraging him. He's living out his dream. Alright, so we are back at a different Hobby Lobby, and I'm looking for this little stool to put at the bottom of my bed so I can get into it because it's gonna be too high up for me. So this is a stool I was looking at. It's $31 and I think I can use my coupon on it, so it'll be even cheaper. Because they had some at TJ Maxx, but they were really expensive. So I'm gonna get this one, I think.
Means I get to carry it.
Yep, that means you get to carry it. The one at TJ Maxx was a lot bigger than that one, so I think that'll be good because then I can like push it out of the way so it won't take up space. Alright, so we didn't find anything else, I couldn't say that. And we're gonna get this and then we're gonna go carry on to our next adventure. Alright, we just made it to Target and I'm looking for a drying rack in here and then a few other things. I'm gonna look in TJ Maxx for the plants because they're usually a little cheaper, and I'm looking for something specific, and that's not quite specific enough. You know, Jake, the drying rack has to be down here somewhere because I literally cannot find it. It must be on the other side. What the heck? I thought it would be with the hangers and stuff. After going like 20 circles, I finally found the drying rack. I think I'm just gonna get that one because it's only $15. Needed that because I hang dry most of my clothes because if you put them in the dryer, they usually get messed up and I pay a lot of money for stuff sometimes. So obviously don't want to mess it up and I want to get my money's worth. That's gonna be a lifesaver. Last year my dorm was bigger, so I had like more space to hang stuff, but now that I have a smaller one, I needed to get this to hang stuff on. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest of it, but we'll figure that out when I get there. I'm looking for a smaller lamp to put on my desk so I can see when I do my schoolwork, but they don't have the one that I saw online that I wanted, so I think I'm just gonna order it online, but they do have some cute ones. I just don't need this big of a lamp. Put a picture of the one I want right here. I'm gonna order that one online. I think it's like $15, so it's super cheap. Thought it was really cool looking. Alright, we just made it to TJ Maxx and we're looking around for just miscellaneous things. Definitely need a few more container bins, so hopefully we can find some of those. Oh my gosh, look at all the Baby Yoda stuff. They literally have Baby Yoda stuff everywhere we go. It's taken over. Should I get that for my dorm? I mean, it really wouldn't go with my decor, but I mean, it's Baby Yoda. They have so many cute frames here. I want to get one to put in on a picture of Gizmo like on my desk. Do you like this one, Jake? Like wooden? Okay, I think I might get this one. Alright, here's a bunch of baskets. So if I don't find one over here, chances are I probably won't find one. Oh, this trash can's cute. I was looking for a trash can that's not ugly, and this one's kind of cute. It kind of matches with the stool I just got. All right, I think I'm gonna get this little trash can to put it out in my dorm because it matches. Jake was literally just about to tell me that it matched. I might add a little bit more tassels on it just because I like tassels. I need to get a new curtain because I don't think the other one's gonna match that I have from last year. So I think I'm gonna get this white one. I'm gonna have to get like a sun blocking panel to go behind it because it's really sheer, but I just like the little thingies on it. Okay, so that's pretty much all the dorm room shopping I've done so far. I might do a little bit more, but I've gotten the majority of stuff that I need. Plus the rest of it, I think I'm just gonna order online because the stores really don't seem to have as much right now, I guess because of like the coronavirus and stuff. So the rest of it, I do plan on ordering online. But don't worry because I'm gonna be doing a huge dorm room haul soon on my channel so you guys can see everything I got, even the stuff that I ordered online. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun to film, and definitely let me know in the comments down below what your college dorm room essential is because I wanna know. And yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine, no friends of mine.